welcome back to Racing Retro. So this is just a short little video. Now, as if we haven't got enough bikes stacked up, Keith has gone and bought another
project.
Another project.
But we have no idea what it is. Me and Dom have no idea what
Keith
it is.
Well, chances are Keith doesn't know what it is.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Is it a Ducati 815? So what we thought we'd do is have our inaugural game of Guess the Bike.
Guess the bike.
Me and Ant are going to try and guess what it is. We're going to ask a series of questions. Keith's got some clues. And then in a moment or two, we'll take it down to the van, open the back doors and see what it is.
But I've got to give you a couple of clues.
Give us a couple of clues. I've got my notepad.
Right. You're on notepad.
Right, okay.
Give us a couple of clues. Are these clues going to give it away straight away?
No, probably not.
Okay, good. Right.
The production
Just rub that out.
started in 1979
Oh man, it's probably a piece of shit. How did
and ended
I don't know.
and ended? You know
ended
what we like with
ended
bikes?
in 2000.
Wow. Okay.
So that's
interesting.
a good clue.
That's a long run.
That is a long run.
So it rules out everything I was thinking of.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay. The next clue.
Next clue.
They were mainly made for the European market in Belgium, Spain, and Sweden.
Belgium.
Right. That's the only clues you're having off me. Other
That.
than
It's not a lot to go off. Since I don't know any
Other
bikes
than-
from Belgium, Spain, or Sweden.
uh,
So it's a European one only.
No, it was made for those markets. So it couldn't be a Japanese bike, but it's made for the European
And
markets.
Predominantly for
yes,
those markets.
predominantly for those market. And the
Oh, there's another clue.
vehicle
Clue
in
number
question
3.
is F Reg.
1988.
Can we-
5
can we-
questions each. Yes
5
or
questions.
no? Yeah.
Right, okay.
5.
Right. Who's going first?
Out.
Is the bike under 250cc capacity?
Yes. Just to put a rule in here.
Yeah, okay.
You can't ask a similar question because that would be unfair.
To be honest with you, my next question was, is it above 125?
Exactly. You
I was
can't
saying-
do that. You can't do that. That's not fair. You can't do that.
Okay.
So it's got to be completely different questions.
Right. Okay, completely different questions.
Okay.
My question is to you, is the motorcycle Japanese?
Yes.
It's Japanese. It's Japanese. So it rules out the Ducati 815. so it's a small Japanese bike. And think carefully now, because that's 2.
Were these bikes styled in like an off-road style?
That's a
That's a good question.
Unless it's definitely yes. Look at his face. It's got yes written all over it.
Yes.
Yes.
Right, yeah.
So I now do not know what it is because I don't know any. Is this bike a Yamaha? He's gone, yes, we're all over this. We are good at this.
No.
Isn't it? Isn't it? Is it a no? Is that a no? It's a no.
No.
Oh, the bugger
fine.
in his poker face. Not a Yamaha.
Because I was going to say a DT175. It's not that. It's
And be
not
careful,
DT.
we've only got one question each left.
Wrong question.
Is this bike yellow?
No.
Oh, it's not yellow. It's a stupid
It's
question.
not a Suzuki then.
Suzuki's came in blue.
It's not this off-road one.
Yeah, they did.
Motocross
TS50s were
Oh,
blue.
yellow.
TS50s were blue. My mate had a TS50 that was blue. What a question, but you want, what is it, yellow? Is it the sun? So it's not yellow.
It's not
Right,
a
your
TS.
questions
Fantastic.
It's not a
Your-
TS50. But I couldn't ask what manufacturer it was because we're not allowed to do that.
Oh, you could have done that. It's smaller than 250. It's Japanese. It's off-road. It's not a Yamaha. All we know is what it isn't.
Is it the bike that you had as a
In a
teenager?
minute, this is not the
All
question.
right.
Well, in a
Oh.
minute, he's hijacking
Yeah,
the
you're
question.
hijacking your question.
Yeah. He must have an affinity with it to have bought it
Yeah.
Whoa. Hang on a minute. I didn't actually buy it.
or given it.
This is
It's given it. So it's not worth
received
anything.
it. So you've
I've
received this
received it. I did a favour. So they did me. Not a sexual favour. I fathered 13 kids.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna. It's a manufacturer's question. I think it should be allowed.
Okay.
Okay, one manufacturer's question.
Okay. Give us a thumbs up if you want us to go Honda. Yeah, I've seen one. Right. Keith, is it a Honda?
Yes.
Oh, it's a Honda.
Honda.
It's a small. Why didn't you ask that instead of is it yellow?
Because it was a
It's a
Suzuki
Honda.
disguised as another question.
So it's a
to
Honda.
get round his rules about asking the manufacturer.
I know, but is it yellow? So it's a 1989 Honda 125. What do you think?
Or 50.
Or 50.
I'm going Honda XL50.
Can we just get the name? We don't need the CC, do we?
No, you need is that bike.
Ant's gone XL50, I've gone MT50. Keith knows what it is. Let's get down to the van to bash his back doors in. Let's
go
see
and have a
what
look.
it is.
Let's go and have a look.
Our misery.
Oh yeah, put everyone out of the misery.
Pal,
Right then, we're here, back of the van.
you can't see, no?
Can't see it.
Can't see.
So,
Can't see, no?
Well, the van isn't sat down very much. It isn't heavy.
yeah, but we know it's a lightweight though,
It's a
right, don't we?
lightweight.
So
I don't
Oh,
know any of
I got them for you.
Okay, that's not it.
that's
not it.
from it.
Right, you ready for the big reveal?
Right, big
Yeah.
reveal.
So what did you say?
XL50
Which I
Honda.
don't know what is. I
And
don't
what
know
did
one of
you
them is.
say?
MT50.
Here we go, big reveal.
It's none of these, is it?
I
I reckon it'd be a 250.
it's not.
You
I think
said, is it yellow?
it's 100% going to be a
Is it
50.
yellow? That's it! I got it right! I got it right! Oh my god, it's an MT5! Well, MT50, same thing, isn't it? We're having that, aren't we?
Yeah,
Get in!
There you go.
I knew it!
yeah. Wow.
We'll turn
This
into
has
a-
literally cost me
I love it.
about 120 quid max.
Really?
Yeah, and thanks to Gary, by the way, Gary.
Cheers, Gary.
Gary.
Look, man, it's got everything on it.
It's got side panel missing. We've got
Okay,
a brake
oh.
lever missing.
Oh yeah, who needs
Um,
brakes?
It's been in a barn. It's been stuck there for a while. Last person to ride it was a girl who learned how to ride on it on the field. That's why it's in a bit of a sorry state. But
Thanks, mint.
we can do something with that, can't we?
Definitely turn that into something. So, thanks for watching this little short. Any of you as clever as me and got it bang on? Bang on. That's got to be worth some points in that game of ours, hasn't it? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you
Next
On
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
next Tuesday.
Tuesday.